Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you can't format your disk, Windows was unable to complete the formatting. This video is for you. I will show you quickly how you can format this. So we can format this with the help of CMD. Open the CMD, hit yes option when the prompt opens. And now what you have to do is you have to hit the command one by one here. Diskpart list disk. First command is diskpart without any space. Next is list disk. Now this is very important. Choose the disk which you want to clean. Okay, just choose that disk and then type the command select disk. Let's say in my case select disk space 0, and once you select it you have to then type the clean command. It will clean the disk data, so make sure you back up the data before that. Create disk partition, then hit this command and then click on, then you can paste this command. So these command you will get into my description box, just you have to look for your disk later. So after that restart Windows, or without restart it should fix. If it doesn't fix your issue, then you have to look for the write protection if any. So this is the video and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.